I was struggling. Thank you so much, guys. Say alive! Say alive kila mahali, guys. Say alive. Mwambie mimi niko kwa TikTok again, guys. Say alive. Say alive. Mungu wangu. Hey.
Yes. Don't worry. My gifters are ready to scatter your head. How can you have 4,000 views? You don't have gifters.
Subscribe to my
It's
channel.
Kenya. Kenya is different from Nigeria.
I told you my gifters are here to scatter your head. Adore. Shh, don't shout. Don't shout.
God, thank you so much. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Hey.
Don't shout.
Today was my day, y'all. Today was my day.
So wait, let me tell you something. You give me the views, I give you the gifters. Accept? Or you don't accept, I bring you down.
Accept.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Okay.
Continue to see.
Sikujua walai siku na mimi niliota hii kitu. Niliota hii kitu. Nikiwa kwetu. Mungu wangu niliota.
I want to learn Kenya language because now I have Kenya.
I dream about this. I dream about that. I make TikTok again.
Teach me your language. Teach me Kenya language because I have Kenya people here now watching.
Yes, if I told you tunakupenda, we love you.
Tunakupenda. Kingdom family.
Yes.
Tunakupenda.
Thank you, guys.
Tunakupenda family.
I love you.
Yes.
I love you, guys.
My dream has come true, guys. My dream has come true, guys. Guys, share live kila mahali. Wakenya wote wajue niko na TikTok king, guys. Wajue niko na TikTok king, guys. TikTok king has hosted me, guys. God. God, TikTok king has hosted me. God, thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.
Wait. What is the highest coins you have ever had on TikTok?
The highest coin during my birthday, I had like 250,000.
Sorry for laughing. It's too small. Sorry for laughing. Your birthday, 250,000. Sorry. TikToking don't laugh. I'm sorry for laughing.
Thank you for watching, my guys.
Sorry. It's nice. 250,000. Nice. Nice. Come and watch my birthday this Saturday. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 5 million, 6 million.
I saw your birthday. You had 16 million coins. You are blessed.
I know.
You are blessed.
Very funny.
Okay. So your views, I give you followers. Good.
You are blessed, TikTok king. You are blessed. Wakenya msiniaibishe aki mnitumie kitu jamani, mmeniweka tu kwa box. Mungu wangu. Yawa Wakenya yawa.
What is follow me in Kenya?
Follow me in Kenya.
Oh my God.
Yes, how do I say follow me in Kenya?
Mnifollow.
Milifollow, let's go together. Milifollow.
Guys, mfollow jamani, mfollow. Mfollow, guys.
Do you know how box battle work? Do you know how to do box battle?
Thank you.
Yes, I know.
Yes. Highest coins win, lowest coin go down. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. I bring in people with you. Okay.
Guys, mmesikia?
Like, comment.
Wakenya msiniaibishe, endeni mrecharge. Jamani.
Hey.
Recharge, guys. Wakenya.
Recharge what?
I'm telling my people.
Your people don't need to recharge. We already have people here.
Subscribe.
You want to recharge 1 rose and 1 figure heart in my live stream.
Thank you.
Don't worry. Okay. There are 2 people that joined the Telegram group of my Telegram group on my page.